Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu states, when my father Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu got wounded, I was present then. The people praised him and said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu grant you a good recompense. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I am hopeful of Allah's blessing and scared of his torment. The people said, you may appoint someone your caliph successor. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, should I carry your burden while alive as well as dead? I wish my services as a caliph may be compensated on equal basis. I should neither be rewarded nor be tormented caliphate. If I appoint a vicar, the one Hazrat Abu Bakr, who was better than me, appoint a vicar. If I do not appoint a vicar, the one better than me, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, did not appoint a caliph. Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu then said, when Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu mentioned Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I came to know he will not appoint anyone as a caliph. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4690.